Hey guys, how's it all going? Bristol Crypto Craig checking back in here. Now, I realise it's been good like 3 months since I last posted on my YouTube channel, everyone. Now we've moved house, we've been doing a lot of stuff with the home, and I just want to get back into doing my videos, guys, basically. I'm up to my 500 subscribers, which is one of my targets. And what I'm going to do now, at the moment we're in a bit of a bear market. Looking forward to Ethereum, guys, the merge. Looking forward to the settlement of the SEC case with XRP Ripple, guys, and Ripple Labs as well. I don't see a lot going on with XRP until it happens, and I'm hoping that I'm hoping that Ethereum with the Beacon chain merge to proof of stake next month is going to reignite a little bit more of a leg up, guys, and a little bit more of maybe another cycle, guys, before we go into the real crypto bear winters and before the next halving. So what I'm going to be doing, guys, I'm going to do some videos from scratch, basically, if anyone's interested in this. While we're going through a bit of a damp phase in the market, I thought I'd do some videos for anyone looking to get into crypto, guys. Where to start off, where to buy, where to get your entries, where to trade your coins, guys, where to hold them, different ways of holding them. You know, which coins I'm recommending for short-term holds and for long-term hodls as well, guys. Hodls is holding. And the sort of what I'm looking at, guys, with the next, the next couple of years in crypto. So if anyone's interested in that kind of thing, I am going to start producing the videos and putting tutorials up and doing kind of like short, maybe 10-minute videos on my YouTube channel. Just to basically, for anyone that's looking to start out as well, from literally from the bottom, guys, from day one, where I started out years ago in crypto. There are a lot of people now that are trying to get away from the corrupt systems and the corrupt governments that I hope people are waking up to now, and are coming around to the idea now of what is going on with the financial system as we edge closer and closer to a digital currency, guys, which seems inevitable now. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please come and take a look at the channel, guys. Possibly like and subscribe if you can to get my algorithm going, so I can get this information out to more people. I did quite well myself personally. There are a lot of scams out there, 100%, of course there are. And there is a lot of crap out there, guys, that you can make this much in a matter of days and weeks, which is very, very unlikely. You hear that? It's probably not going to happen. I can tell you that personally, from my experience, I did do well, very well in the last bull run, like 2020, 2021, were the years where my biggest profits came, and I made some very lucrative profits. It was pretty decent. I did all right. So peace out, everyone. I might see you on my channel, possibly. Hope to see you there. If you're someone that's looking to get into crypto, then take a look at my channel, guys, and we'll work towards building a portfolio for what I see the next couple of years, guys, and some short-term hodls too, for a bit of profit in the short term too, guys, which I'm hoping for. So peace out, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bristol Crypto Craig. I'm also on TikTok as well, guys. I post my recommendations on Twitter as well, what I think is going to go well. So see you later, guys. Hope to see you on the channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out. Crypto.